Stop. Yeah, babe.
Alright guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fun, fire, and education. Cufflinks fam, you know me, I'm Leonardo Cuff, the elder Cuff. But come, I'll be back guys.
Oi, why you?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bas, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Alright guys.
Alright guys, let's do this the real way, right? I don't know what that was. Welcome to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we bring you fire, fun, inspiration, where we are real and we bring you some educational material.
That's what I said.
So guys, this is my big brother. He is, of course, as he said, the elder Cufflinks. Him old, yeah, in other words.
Not really.
So,
We're twins actually.
Guys, look on good me. Come handsome. Come a coach. What I bring to the table, let's ask him. If you had the chance to take over Stuff from the Cuffs from one day, what would you do?
I already took over Stuff from the Cuffs.
No, for the whole day. That was like 30 seconds.
No, actually, I have a mirror channel to yours. You know, I have like 10,000 subscribers already. You've never seen
Which 10,000 subscribers? What are the name?
Alright guys, check out Stuff from the Cuffs 1. That's my channel.
So guys,
Fun, fire, inspiration, education. What?
what a copy. Bootleg. So this is the bootleg version, guys.
It can't be bootleg if I was born first.
Well, this
I have
is
the
leg
original
boot.
channel. I have the original
This is the
channel.
leg boot.
I have the original channel, guys. Like, you know, when you want fun, like I said, fire. Let me not do this hand movement. But
Yo, man, that's true.
but yes.
So guys, this is the funny one.
No. No.
I'm the serious one and this is the funny cuff, right?
I'm not. Nope. Let's get that straight. I might be hilarious, but I'm definitely not funny.
Respect to all the funny people out there. All due respect, yeah? I love everybody here.
Yeah. No flow. But we're having fun. It's a rainy day here in, where are we?
Ocean
No.
Hotel.
Ocean's Coral Spring.
Coral Spring.
It's a rainy day here, but it's a beautiful day here in Jamaica. I'm happy to be in Jamaica. So, you know.
He's from foreign, guys. Ask him for the accent.
I'm not from foreign.
Ask him for the accent.
I'm Jamaican.
Make him put on the accent. Give us your intro.
I mean, right now we just chilling. I've been here. I don't really got an accent right now, so you know, because I've been here for so long, it's like I can't do it anymore. But anyways,
Accent challenge. Breadfruit. What you say in America?
youth, we say breadfruit same way. If you can't find breadfruit.
Patty.
Yeah, same thing.
Patty.
We don't say no patty.
Patty.
Nothing like that. We keep it original and we keep it real, you know what I mean?
Yeah, guys. So
But
this
yeah.
is my big brother. We are 3 years apart, and we went to the same grade, St. Jacob High School. Yeah, number one.
You know
Spanish
what it
Town original, Spain Town, big up in some city. Clover Avenue.
I grew up
Yeah. Chronic sing about our place. Chronic, yeah. Remember we used to play ball at Chronics? And coffee deliver on the road at Eltham?
No, but coffee went to Somali.
Yeah, that means she used to live at Eltham.
Yeah.
So we come from great places, and of course you don't know he'll be dropping his new EP with Chronic.
No. But
freestyle, I could drop a freestyle.
Freestyle.
I could drop a freestyle. Now let's see this, watch it. We'll make sure you look at that. Alright.
Alright. What?
Give me a word, boss.
Word.
Give me a word.
Copy. Yeah, like how he copied me. Got a channel called Stuff from the Cuffs, but I am he. The original Stuff from the Cuffs 1. Check it out on YouTube. You know I never done nothing wrong in my life. I always get it right. This guy, he copied me. And then he got a wife. Yeah, I was the first one. Alright, here we go guys. Ready? My turn. Alright.
So, you said I copied you when you're the original one.
I am.
But I am not the first, but I still was the one who won. Because I got a gem of a girl. Yes, you got a good girl too. But I got B. Beautiful B, and I had 2. Oh, my lose around it.
You definitely lose.
Alright, pull up. Guys,
because you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Because if Nicole busts it,
no, that's why I make sure I lose.
Thump it in your mouth. Let's stay there.
I make sure I lose. Because I say Nicole is good too, so I'm going to try to flip it. Alright. Alright. Next word. Give me a next word.
Lately.
Babe, what you dealing with? Yeah, move some.
Lately, I've been telling them they can't fake me. I'm the one. The only one. Stuff from the Cuffs 1. Check it out on YouTube. I already won. I'm mind free. Hold on.
Lately, I have to be embracing what I am greatly. I'm great, I'm strong, I never got it wrong. I got Christ as King, and you know, even though I can't sing, I know that I got a great sing. Because lately I've been thinking about life, thinking about my beautiful wife, thinking about how this world is full of strife. But guess what? Some of you have the handle, some of you have the blade, but guess what? God holds the knife. Because he is king. So lately, I have to understand that he holds everything. So even though there's corona, even though there's other things too, we still have to give praises to the king because he is true.
Lately, we moving stately. They don't even understand we're king's men. Them rate we. Yo, we're not Alex.
One more round. Tiebreaker. Tiebreaker.
But anyway, but the truth is, everything that Brian doing, I taught him, right? So all this poetry, all this musical talent and all that stuff, it's things that I didn't know. He saw me doing these things when he was a little child.
But guys, you know, you have to take the original and make it better. That's how you show who is the real go-getter. Now I rhyme still. I have no fetter. Because me are the one. Now you know Christ and make me the big hitter. Win again.
Alright guys, so as I was saying, right, so all this talent and all that stuff, what he did, he saw me doing these things, like, because when I was younger, it was all about the music.
True.
And, rapping. True. And, you know what I mean?
It rub off, yeah, it rub off.
As a young
rub off.
Man, he saw these things and,
it rub off.
Yeah, it was like, yo, I want to be like my brother.
No, me never say it like that.
And, yeah, that's really what happened. But I'm very happy to be here on Stuff from the Cuffs. It's a beautiful thing. So tell your friends, tell your family, anywhere you go. I mean, if you're in the States and you go in Best Buy or Walmart, do it either, right? I put my channel on, not his. But you go on one of those laptops that they have, and all the laptops can show, like on every TV. Just put on Stuff from the Cuffs and just play an episode. And the people just going to stop and watch it. It's really interesting. It's a lot of fun stuff, right?
Guys, the man going at the store and put the thing for the people on TV. Like,
that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So promote it. I mean, the people that know Stuff from the Cuffs is the place to be. You know what I mean? For fun, fire, realness, and entertainment.
Yeah.
And also, I mean, guys, look, when you're feeling down and you want some inspiration in your life, these guys, I mean, this is what they do. They're real people. Very inspirational, and giving education to. So it's not just about the fun, but it's also about just getting a word, which is a beautiful thing because we need the word all the time too. Yeah, but bless up on yourself, Cufflinks fam. I know you guys know where the Cufflink started. This is me, original Cufflinks, Lenny C.
So guys, before I go, I'll just say that Mommy and Daddy, they worked on the rough draft and then they created the masterpiece. Boom! This is
Lenny's wife.
Nicole. What's your handle again? Tell him your handle.
For Mock Learning.
Yeah. This is another Cufflink, guys. We just spoke to her her worse half.
Mock Learning Consultancy on Instagram.
Yep. We're gonna be hearing more from her soon, alright?
I am Beverly Cuff and I'm Queen of the Cuffs.
I am Jaden Cuff, made by Jaden C. Jaden Cuff.
Yeah, guys, the Cufflinks fam in the building.
Hello, my name is Vikisha and I'm picking up stuff and the
From our staycation
from our staycation
to our stay work.
Or stay work, we are going to MC an event, yes, as a couple. It's the launch of Carla Dunbar Ministries Gym Academy.
Grow your marriage ministry.
Yes, so we'll give you more details on that when we get there. Alright, so we are on our way and it's raining a lot. Raining a whole lot. So we're gonna take our time and head back into Kingston, alright?
We are very excited to be here this afternoon, especially because we're talking about marriage. And for those of you who know us, we are happily married. Let us tell you! Oh Lord, the place is cool, but I'm feeling very hotly. Baby, take over.
And isn't she looking lovely, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. And she made me look good, so if you know that I look good, it's because of her. But you know, while we were on our way, we came through a lot of water. We came through some roads that were really inundated. We came through some situations where there were trees in the road. We, at some point, lost all visibility. Yeah, we're coming from a little staycation. Yeah, we had to take some time off from the kids and to grow our marriage. Yes. So while we were coming, there were several things that we saw, and we thought would be fitting. So bring to today's proceeding.
And you know, one of the things that we saw on our way here today, we actually saw 2 accidents. And it reminded us that a lot of times in our marriages, we meet upon a few accidents in our marriages, right? And we saw the police assisting, we saw the ambulance assisting, and sometimes we need some assistance in our marriages. You know, sometimes we feel like we have it all together and we can do it on our own, but sometimes, just sometimes, we need a little gym in our lives, yes? We need a little assistance to help us along this journey. And so it is our absolute pleasure to welcome you today to the launch of Grow Your Marriage Ministry and Academy. Put your hands together, everybody.
I heard go to Carla and she will help you. So there I went and you see how I think. Me not going to doctor, can't tell you the last mistake. I did an MRI and that came back well. I felt so good my head started to swell. So I say to you, watching here at F.I.R.E, look deep within and get up and go to the gym. I ask him and we stand and I work out is no ease. But then you look at the results and you must be pleased. So leave the reverend doctor and get up and lose the fat and thing. So say after me, go to the gym.
Go to the gym.
Say after me, go to the gym. Go to the gym. That was my part. And then, Kevin, which I never forgot this album, yeah? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving into some entertainment.
So you don't have to be jealous of another man's product. You just need to work on your own. And that's what GYMM is all about. So marriage is like any good partnership. It requires investment. And you can't invest unless you have resources. So for investment, there needs to be resources. We must stop trying to fix marriages without the manual. You're going to run into some serious problems as a result of that. So when I thought about GYMM, I said to myself that GYMM is not just for the sick, but for those who want to remain healthy. And so the purpose of this is not just a fix-it, but a maintenance. So if you have a good one, it gets better. If you have a better one, it becomes excellent.
Come on.
So I learned something very interesting. A friend of mine came from vacation and he looked across his neighbor's yard and everything was well kept. Lawns were properly manicured, everything was in place, and he looked at his garden and he was mad and was angry because everything was all in place. He woke up one morning and he realized that the owner of the next door had come out and he saw the care with which he executed the responsibility of the garden. And so what he immediately realized was a profound principle. Sometimes your garden is not what you want it to be because you have not spent time working on it. And you don't need to be jealous of anybody else's garden. You just spend time on your own. Put in the work and the satisfaction will literally come. And he just went behind the television, took the cord and he plugged it in. There are some things that cannot work unless it's plugged into the source. And marriage is one such thing. And that's why, no matter how much you try to redefine marriage, you can't redefine something that God has already trademarked.
Hello everyone, I'm Reverend Dr. Carla Dunbar, the sex professor, and it is wonderful to be able to introduce to you this evening the GYMM, the Grow Your Marriage Ministry and Academy aimed at enhancing, maintaining, sustaining marriages and the family, and helping singles to be increasingly aware of what they have as a gift from God, their uniqueness, their singleness, 100%. So you need to sign up for the courses that will be offered by the GYMM. We have the MRI, the Marriage Readiness Intelligence, the On Your Marks, that's Get Set Ready to Go for couples who are courting and dating, the Marriage Maintenance, because you know it has to be maintained for married couples, and of course the Sexual Proficiency course, you've got to take that one, and then exclusively for wives, how to talk so that your husband will listen, and for husbands, loving her, the biblical perspective. These are all wonderful courses coming straight from the manual. And so you have got to sign up for it. Go to the Grow Your Marriage Academy on teachers.com and register for the courses, or get to us at Carla Dunbar Ministries at gmail.com, or on our Facebook page at Carla Dunbar Ministries, or YouTube at Carla Dunbar Ministries, and get involved because we are rebuilding Jamaica one marriage at a time.
If you had it back